Did you know mindful eating improves digestion, health, and well-being? Savoring your food changes your mealtime experience for the better. Today, we'll explore 5 easy and healthy meals. Simple, delicious, and nutritious meals. Trust me, you'll want to try these. Let's talk about something real. Many struggle with unhealthy eating habits, eating lunch at your desk or snacking while binge-watching TV. This can lead to overeating and dissatisfaction. How do we change this? Mindful eating is the answer. First up, a zesty quinoa salad bursting with fresh flavors. Toss in chopped veggies, olive oil, and lemon juice. Next is a delightful pita with beet hummus. Beets are a fantastic source of nutrients. Enjoy the textures and flavors. Organic veggie flatbread with roasted red pepper sauce, a perfect base. Combine fresh veggies with tahini for a wholesome meal. Our fourth meal is a hearty vegetable soup, perfect for any season. Chop your veggies, add lentils and broth, then simmer until tender. Enjoy the warmth, rich flavors, and aromas. Here's the key moment. A lemon herb baked salmon with slow-roasted organic vegetables, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Over time, you'll notice increased energy and a healthier transformation. We're here to make this transition simple.